for myself. Time heaven, intelligent, spirit angel, this and that. San Antonio, Texas, the ecosystem. Remember, if you're a referee and a judge, your lines are north and south. 2, 5, 8. If you're in jail, your lines are across. Okay? What kind of pants are you wearing? Everything is in relationship to creation, and I come out here and I pound myself through here, waiting for somebody to jump on the bagwagon and grab me and say, hey, can you figure me this out? I can do the calculation, I can create the equation, and you have to take it to the next step. That's how it works. This and that. Time heaven, the number's 28. TH. It only begins at number 4. Why? Because you say first, second, and third, and then you say fourth, fifth, sixth. So everything begins at 4 and not before. 1 and 2. 1 and 1 will create 56 and 66. That's it. 1 and 1, although we already know that 4 areas will create 28, right? 1 across from what? On a dice cube. But if you're using the calculator, all the crossings are 10. The 7 world, it's 3 and 4, 1 and 6, 2 and 5. This is the bottom row, rectangular. The top row, okay, of 7 is 9 and 7 is 16, 1 and 6 is 7, 8 and 8 is 16, 1 and 6 is 7, 9 and 7 is 16, 9, okay, and 7 come twice. 8 and 7 is your doorway. 6 and 8, 5 and 9, the crisscross X. 4, and there is no 10, but look at that, 4, 10 right here, communication. It's calculator perfect. Calculator perfect. So we have this and that. We have Neptune. Here's the planet count. Neptune, okay, it has a total count of 95. E-I-E-I-O, Einstein, and we're on the farm, 1776. Have I ever done this for you? We're going to run down 1776 and Einstein. Let's do this. E-I-N-S-T-E-I-N. 5 and 9 equals to 14. N equals to 14 equals to 28 total. Same thing on the other side, 28 total. This equals to 39 total. 7 times 4, 7 plus 4 equals to 11 and 28 equals to 39. This is Saturn, electric company. It also says the word CL, which means skies of Saturn, and it's in Las Vegas. Now, 1776 in the breakdown is 987 and 789. When you add them together, it becomes 16, it becomes 7, it becomes 1776. So you have 1 times 1776, right? But it's nothing. It's what the total is of 1776, but how do we get there? How do we get there? Five times, let me do this with the calculator. 1776 divided by 5 equals to 3552, so it's an in-between number. Times 5 equals to 1776. 3552, to remember, it's an in-between number, right? So we don't want to do that. So we're going to do 1776 divided by 6 equals, no, 1776 divided by 6 equals to 296. That was 6. Then we have 1776 divided by 8 equals to 222. And then 1776 divided by 9 doesn't work. So it does not work with 5, it does not work with 7, and it does not work with 9. The gateway, E and I and G. Okay, you want to work at 16, 21 is the cube. But now we're going to add them up. 2, 8, and 4 is 12, 16, and 8 is 24. Let me do this again. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 10, 14, and 6 is 20, 22. And 6 is 28. 7, 8 is 15, and 9 is 24, 28, and 9, and 2, 20, 28. 7, 15, 24, 28, 29, 30, 39. 7, 8, 15, and 20, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 28, 39, 28. Einstein, 29, 27, 38. Neptune equals to 95. The total here equals to 95. And the total here equals to 95. Neptune is the second and the 8th planet. And that is your cycle. 2 times 8, 2 plus 8 equals to 16 equals to 10. Minus it equals to 6. This number will equate to this number. 1 and 6 is 7. This one is 1, 7, 1, 6. This will become 7. It'll be 6, 7, 6. The difference to the 10 world is 3 and 4. 3, 4, 7, 6 is the diameter of the moon. So here's your connection to this simple mathematical reality. So what I want to do next is I'm going to take it that Uranus, okay, equals to a total of 94. Neptune 95, Pluto 84, Saturn 93, Jupiter 99, Earth 52, Mars 51, Mercury 103, becomes 163 touchdown, and 81 plus 30 is creation. Venus and Mars. Earth and Mars is 29 is the birth. 47 to Jupiter plus Earth is your gateway. 32, the freezing point or the doorway between Earth and Pluto. Between Earth and Neptune is a total of 43. That is the DC world. Between Earth and Uranus is 92, and you're back to birth again. 93 and 41 is your DNA, and now we went from Earth to Saturn. If we minus it, that is your 41. Now, if you add it, okay, the minus is 41, Saturn to Earth. Now, if you add it, you get 55, the passage of 5, 5, and 5. If you take Mars and Earth, you equal to Mercury. If you minus it, you get 1. If you add it, you get 3 and 1. Alternate current. This, because it's 10, it'll become 16, it'll become 73. And that number is Nibiru, planet of the red sun. So now we have this planetary count. We're going to keep it at that, Raphael, 7286, the constellation of the basic. So here we have it again. So what else are we going to do? We're going to take Mars. Over here, we get 33. When we add it, we get 8 and 5, 13. 1 and 3 is 4. 1 and 4 is 5. Entry into the sun between Mars and Pluto. Now we take Mars, 42, 9 lives of the cat. We add it, becomes 5 and 4 inside the sun. 3 and 1 is 4. 9 and 5 is 14. 1 and 4 is 5. You take it away, you get 42, communication. You get Venus at 81 to Earth is 29. Venus over to Jupiter is 18, Resh, angel heaven. You have 81 to Venus over to 84. You have creation. You have 8 and 8 becomes 7 and 5, electric company, creation inside the moon, G&E. The moon is 57. The moon is 12. It says G and E and L. Gelé, freeze. It means to be cold. It means to freeze. 7 by 5 is 35, electric company. 35 and 12, 47. 47, 47 is 94, Uranus. 47 and 47 equals to 85, and that is the matrix cube. 5 times 8 said he is the word. Raphael, thank you for watching. Coming to you from the House of Paint.